So we got the package. This is from Amazon and it's a portable. Let's quickly unbox. So a box inside box and shipped to E-Trade. I think this is a returned product based on the way it looks, because it's a return shipping label to the user pack. Let's see if something is written. No, there is no code and it's return part. So I feel something fishy with this. So here is this. If you see, the seal is removed. You don't have the plastic shield on this, but if you see the others, you will find it. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So since they have opened it, let's see what was the problem for this. First let's do the measure. So usually these will not be in the correct size, so it's 9.2 this way, say 15.24, 20.32. Yeah, I think that is correct. And then should be 15.24. It's more than that. So if you're going to make a choice based on this, just remember we have two accessories, 3, 10, 11, and then we have to leveler as well to see if it is all level or not. I'm more interested why this is. If you see, this has been folded to the other side. So is it really like that, or they have made it? I'm more interested into this glass sheet, and it's not really a glass, it's basically acrylic. So I just need to peel this off. I got one from Solino and it had actual glass there, so I don't know why this cost cutting they are doing. Maybe that person was returning due to this. Let's see. Here we've got, so you should see, we can remove this. There should be on the front as well, both the sides. This thing can get scratchy a lot early. And yeah, so no glass, you will not be getting this glass. This is how it will be. And this is from Street Art Street. So I'll put a link in the description if you're interested to get this, but it says plexiglass. I don't know how much of a plexiglass this is. So let me know if you think this is plexiglass and not acrylic. So that's all. Thanks for watching the video.